Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by mounting the red dot first. Its 0 is your reference. Attach the magnifier behind the dot on the same rail, making sure the magnifier's flipped aside or quick detach mount is aligned. Once done, set the magnifier to the neutral position and close the dot's brightness to mid-setting so you can see alignment during zeroing. These initial steps ensure the optical axes are as parallel as possible and prevent parallax and shadowing when you switch between sites. Now you co-witness and align. Look through the magnifier and center the red dot on a target at 25-50 yards while the receiver or bore is steady. Then adjust the red dot windage and elevation to bring point of impact toward point of aim. This corrects any offset introduced by the magnifier. Next, tweak magnifier focus and diopter so the dot is sharp. Once these mid-range corrections are stable, move to 100 yards for confirmation, so you know how the combo. Finish by torquing all fasteners to spec and confirming the magnifier flips cleanly aside and returns to the same optical position. Consistency matters. Make final confirmation shots at multiple distances and lighting levels to verify point of impact doesn't shift. If you encounter a blurred or offset dot, make sure your eye relief and cheek weld are consistent, recenter the magnifier, and inspect mounts for looseness or worn detents. A quick re-zero after tightening normally resolves most residual misalignment issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.